Alright, so here's a quick update video for you guys. Back end stripped out next to that guy. He stripped all that stuff out back there. Look at that. Saved about 200 pounds so far. So yeah, that's the progress so far. Keep you posted. Okay, so we took the little sound deadening pad off of there, and still the seat or the headrests in here. Well, we're getting rid of that soon too. Carpet will come out, front seats will come out. We'll put a racing seat in it, and then clean up all this junk and decide where to put the roll cage. On fire?
No, it worked.
Alright, so this is the trunk. Got some electronic control modules over there. Have the battery. I wonder how new this battery is. It looks pretty new.
Yeah, it's fairly new, yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Cool.
Look at the date on there.
I don't see where the date is.
Should be, maybe it's covered up.
Might be covered up. Did you take it out?
There it is, on there.
That?
Duralast. On that side.
No, it doesn't have a when it was manufactured though.
You sure?
Yeah, it might be covered up.
Oh, okay. Well, whatever.
Yeah, so trunk. Alright, so if we want to do a big splitter on this car, we're gonna have to take this whole pan out, just put a piece of metal over it.
Yeah, we'll cut it out and
We'll leave it open. Maybe we can make a big hole in the back here with a big giant like scoop wing that just shoots out of the back trunk. Extra downforce.
Listen, well, I'll settle for no oil leaks for now, man.
Oil leaks are good though. Wipes out the competition.
Do what now?
Bus?
See, ideally you want to have some sort of body trim panel thing for this.
Oh, like the little grabber, like the little plastic pawl.
Yeah.
Don't know, it's gonna break. It's gonna break.
I know.
Up. Wait. Can't you lift it up first and then kind of squeeze it and get it out of there?
Yeah.
How do those come off of there? Can you get those all the way out, or you have to take the panel off
There
first?
are tabs right under here, which you definitely can't see because I can barely see them. But if you are strong and willing to sacrifice your fingers,
Little fingers.
you can.
Oh, look at that. The little clips.
Exactly.
Wait, you can get from the other side and pull out.
Yeah, exactly. There we go.
There you go.
There's one. Check it out. Magnetic screwdriver for the win.
That's all holding your headrest is the little clips. Clip 2. Clip 2. Oh my god. Lost clip 2. And you have a hole in your glove.
There it is. Yeah, I got a few. So, ta-da, headrest. Numero uno.
How much do these go for on the market?
Absolutely no idea. Let's be careful though. Hopefully we can sell the whole interior to someone.
Yeah, I mean, look at that quality piece.
That is German leather, man.
It's got some hair on it too. That's included.
This flashlight, however, is great for being a wedge.
Oh, look at that flashlight's pretty damn good.
I have absolutely no idea where that came from.
Yeah, that is a nice headliner, isn't it?
Hey, dude, it's
I wonder if they redid it, because that centerpiece has got some like headliner stuff on it. What is that? Is that a vent for back passengers? Look at it.
What's that? This
Is that like a vent?
motion sensor.
Oh, okay. That'd be cool if it was an air vent. It's a little flimsy.
That's a little. Oh, Jesus, that one's a little wiggly.
They're both like that.
It's alright. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Alright, well, we'll figure out where this flips in a minute.
Alright, well, don't lock kids in the car.
Jesus, this light is so good, it reflects off the wrench and still blinds you.
You don't need those eyes, like I said earlier.
Well, I do. I only got one good one.
This is true. Oh, these lights are pretty cool.
I don't have eyes to spare, bro. Yeah, I know.
I don't want to use those.
Because I also don't want to kill the battery, though.
Yeah, it's done. Dunzo. Why don't you put a trickle charge on it?
Because it's only 928.
Oh, freaking 928. The thing doesn't even do anything. It just sits there all day.
No. Actually, we could,
I'm the fastest car in the garage without an engine.
depending on how many CCAs this thing needs, we could swap the battery and use that one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, fuck it, why not? It's not like it's doing anything.
This is true. Yep. Needs an engine. What's that? Oh.
These are the latch bolts for the child safety system, which should be, in theory, the last thing holding this thing in place.
Well, we should actually leave those in there for child safety.
It's true. I mean, what uses a track car if you can't put children in the back?
Yeah, always children gonna be in the back.
Alright, oh, that's what we gotta do too. I forgot, we have to take these out.
Oh, that's actually a really nice like headline. Are you sure they didn't refinish that? Looks like felt.
I've absolutely, no, this is original material.
That's nice material.
I just see like a weak point.
Do you have
on
like
here.
a what do you call it? Not a screwdriver, but a real long flat like putty knife? No, like putty knife.
I do have a putty knife.
I'm gonna look for putty knife. Like day.
I mean, the dude on my here. Sick. No, they're not. It's just tabs.
Oh, okay, cool. It's still easier to get out that way
Yeah,
though.
way easier.
Pull right from the top.
All right, here you go, and it is actually undamaged, so be careful.
Alright. I'll put it on top of this race car thing.
All right, now watch as we pull this one out with relative ease after that last one. There we go. Pops right out.
Wait, there's no electrical?
No, there is the light. The thing just popped out.
Oh, okay. That's a pretty cool system they have going on there.
Okay, so now we can take this part off. But we need to pop these out
Yeah, pop
first.
those things off. Maybe you can flip it off. Well, flip it off of there, then bring it to them towards you and get those things out by looking at the backs. Maybe there's clips. You know what I mean?
No.
Hey. So when's this race again? June?
Uh-huh.
Plenty of time.
All right.
No point in wasting.
All right, here we go. All right, so what everyone says is you just ride this up.
Should have tested. Oh, this one's not blown. Some are all blown.
Oh God.
That's
not good. Okay, well, bring your own speakers. Actually, the guy online said you're not gonna get the speakers out without breaking clips, and
Yeah.
he is. The man is right. The man is absolutely right.
I mean, you got out of there pretty good though.
Oh.
Super glue
Uh
and dust.
huh.
Oh, you need a small screwdriver. That's funny how they're bolted right to that little thing. That's why they have that anti-rattle crap in there. You know?
Hold on. There you go. Number two. Can you do me a favor? Grab an 8mm.
Yeah.
It's either gonna be on that wall. I don't know if I have an 8mm on the tool bag.
Those rates?
8mm. I'm out of 8s.
What's with the 8s and just not being around?
So not around that. Most people it's 10. To me it's 8s. Just over there. Those are, no, those are 8s.
I didn't check this now. 7. Definitely not. There's a 10. 8.
Oh, 8. Oh,
8.
thank you.
Yep. Okay, so this is one of the speakers we took out of there. Pretty heavy speaker. Looks like a high quality one for sure. Got a nice little coon that sits in. Look at the coon. That's how they get that awesome quality of the Harman and Cardine sound systems. Just engineering them correctly. Alright, so now that the damn speakers are out, can actually get the damn little, what is that called?
What's that?
What's this called you're taking out?
Oh, it's the rear
Carpet
tray,
stuff?
inside.
Rear tray?
Be careful with that. Yeah. Hopefully somebody can buy it.
They actually like make it out of composite. They actually use really nice materials on all this. Porsche key. Is that stuff taped down or is it just laid in there?
It's just laid.
Alright, good. It's not gonna be a big pain to get all that junk out.
You say that now, but
No, I said that like 5 seconds ago. Alright, so we got all the speakers off of here. And we're going to get these guys up in here. I just can't film on unscrewing stuff.
good. Alright, I think we have. We're good.
Think you're good?
Alright. We have this enormous thing ready to be detached. So we're wiring those.
There we go.
Alright, buddy. Oh, boy, I have a gift for you.
Look at that.
Look at that. Here's a gift.
I don't want that thing.
There's a gift.
You can sleep with that.
I don't want
Here's your 8mm tar.
that.
Well, you have a pile of stuff where you're gonna put the junk.
Yeah, it's basically what I was walking on.
Oh, okay.
Oh shit. Can you ever drive the Torx?
Twux? Where's that?
I don't know, I think it's on the roof. It's like a black.
Yep.
No, sorry, the socket.
Where's that?
The ratchet. There's a black.
There's not one up here. It must got moved. All right, so we got a request of the bag of Torx instead of bag of tricks. Torx.
Coming down from Liverpool, bag of Torx.
You take that, you savage.
Right.
It's gonna get, if I ever get monetized, I'll get demonetized for that.
Hey, why bother?
Look at this, got all the speakers out of there, got the subwoofers, you got the little cover from the back here all getting there. Next thing, we're gonna remove the roof and turn it into a convertible. So this is the progress update. Battery's at 50% on this guy. I have 43%. But yeah, I filmed this earlier. Somebody stepped out for a minute. He's got a YouTube channel as well. I'm gonna link him up. This guy I've known since pretty much middle school, and we've always done car stuff together. This was back in college. We built this in college. Really did a lot of work on it. It's got coilovers, the whole thing stripped out. The whole roll cage is actually one that I built. Welded up, fabbed it up along with him. I did the welding and everything. And you know, this car was freaking awesome. The only thing is the engine blew up real early, and we haven't really had a time to get the engine, get a new engine or get the thing rebuilt. So eventually we'll have this thing running again. So this is actually like a 1978 Porsche 928. It's got a small block conversion in it. 5-speed dogleg manual transmission. For anybody that doesn't know what dogleg is, basically first, instead of being towards the driver and forward, it's towards the driver and back, and then it's second, third, fourth, and fifth, and then reverses forward. So yeah, this thing was full race car. This thing had slicks ready for it and everything. Pop the engine, sucks. We'll get it running again now. All right, back to this car. Whole back's just about stripped out of all the major components. We have some little stuff left to like this. We have to clear up the boxes. It looks like it's from my car inventory.